Good morning children. Today I am teaching about vernier caliper, the physical instrument, one of the physical instrument in the name for vernier caliper. Okay, usually in our day-to-day life, you have to measure the length of the particular places or particular areas. You have to measure by using a meter scale. Okay, so but the meter scale representing the value for centimeter and millimeter. So you have to measure the length of the particular places in range of centimeter and millimeter only. Suppose you have to measure the very smallest length of the area, you have to measuring that, but at the time you have to use us for the meter scale, and the meter scale will be represent is not a particular value. Okay, so that places you have to measuring the very smallest length value. Suppose you should measure the 0.001 millimeter range of values. At values you have to measuring the length of the particular area. So that time the meter scale is not acceptable for that particular observations. So that places you have to measure the length of the area. You should use a apparatus name for vernier caliper. Okay, so the vernier caliper is used to the diameter, and you have to the accuracy to measuring the very smallest objects or very smallest areas. So in the range of so the reading ranges should be represented as 0.1 millimeter. So you have to measure the range for millimeters. Okay, in using meter scale in our day-to-day life, in using meter scale you have to measure the length of the area for centimeter and millimeter only. So nowadays the vernier caliper is used to find out the diameter of the very smallest object. Okay, so usually you have to listen children. You have to use the very smallest object diameter. Okay, you have to measure the very smallest object diameter, the range for 0.01 millimeter range, very smallest range this is. Okay, 0.01 millimeter. Okay, listen, this is for vernier caliper apparatus. Okay, so this vernier caliper apparatus, the one of the main meter scale will be there. So the meter scale joined to the upper and lower jaw, we have to join it to the meter scale. This is for meter scale. Okay, so meter scale, otherwise called for main scale. This is vernier caliper. So the main scales will be joined to the upper and lower jaws. So the right side of the lower jaws and upper jaws you have to performed for movable position. Okay, left and right you have to just move for left and right by using the upper and lower jaws, right side of the jaws, and the right side of the jaws joined to the vernier scale. This is for vernier scale, this is for main scale. So the vernier scale is also represent the sum of the readings, and main scale is also represented the sum of the readings also. Okay, so suppose you should find out the diameter of the object. Okay, at that time, so your object is placed in between the two lower jaws. This is for lower jaws, so otherwise named for outside jaws அப்படினு கூட நம்ம சொல்லலாம். So நீங்க எந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் உடைய டயாமீட்டர் நம்ம வந்து மென்ஷன் பண்ண போறோம், மெஷர் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படிங்கறப்ப அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க, இந்த ரெண்டு லோயர் ஜாக்கும் சென்டரா வச்சு என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க, நீங்க டைட் பண்ண போறீங்க. ஓகே, you have to place in the object in between the two lower jaws by use of the right side of the jaws. Okay, so you have to push right side of the lower jaw and tight the objects. Okay, so next one, in vernier caliper you have to find out the three stages of readings of observations. The first one, least count measurement, and least count measurement means so equal to value of one smallest main scale division divided by total number of vernier scale division. Listen students, the value of one smallest main scale division. What is the main scale? This is for main scale divided by total main scale divisions. The main scale having 10 centimeter values will be marked them. So you have to push it away and inward and outwards from the right side of the jaws. you should measure the readings by help of the main scale. So in which readings you have to shifted this jaws, okay, this is jaws, in which readings you have to measure, that value should be placed on the upper position, then divided for the total number of divisions. 10 is the total number of divisions. Listen, so least count, LC means least count is equal to 1 millimeter divided by 10. So the main scale divisions will be 1 millimeter because the lower jaw, okay, in between place the object, the lower jaw shifted to the one value of the main scale division divided by total value of main scale 10. So you have to divide the two components, we get 0.1 millimeter, and otherwise it is changes to the 0.01 centimeter. This is for least count of the apparatus. This least count value is not changing, this is for fixed value, okay. So least count of vernier caliper is always having the value 0.01 centimeter. The next one, zero error, okay. So zero error, what is the meaning of zero error? In this zero error, look at the picture. This is for vernier scale, this is for main scale, okay. So the lower marks indicating the readings for vernier scale, the upper scale indicating for main scale. So lower scale zero value is perfectly matched to the upper main scale zero values. This is condition is named for zero error, okay. Suppose that time for positive error and negative error, the two types of one more error is possible to the vernier caliper apparatus. So what is the meaning of positive error? Suppose zero error means the two readings, vernier caliper vernier scale and the main scale, the two readings matched accurately, okay. That's both the same points. But positive error means the vernier scale is shifted to the left side, okay, shifted left side of the main scale. This is for positive error. Look at the picture, the zero value, upper position of zero indicate the main scale of the vernier caliper, and lower value zero indicate the vernier scale, okay. The lower zero value, listen, in which places you have to shifted left side of the main scale zero value, okay. So this is error called for positive error. So in this instrument having positive error, and you have to corrected this type of error, okay. How to corrected this error? So the suppose you have to, the zero value is shifted to the four readings above, okay. Suppose this zero value is shifted to that pointed and corrected, they have to, at the time you have to positive error is +5 and you have to multiply for least count value. Suppose this is for 5 error value and multiplying for least count value and corrected that error, okay. This is for correction value. So 5 into 0.01 is the least count, we get the value -0.05. This is opposite for the correction, okay. Suppose positive error, we have to positive value and correction is negative, okay. Next one, negative error. So negative error, what is the meaning of negative error? Listen students, this is for main scale, the lower readings indicated for the vernier scale. So the lower zero indicated to shifted the left side of the main scale reading. This is for negative zero error. That time, suppose the readings, vernier scale readings shifted the 4 values of above the points, that times you have to least count value -4 into 0.01. This is for negative error. So we get the value -0.04. This is correction value is, the correction value is positive 0.04 centimeter, okay. So vernier caliper measuring in values in terms of centimeter readings. This is for vernier caliper apparatus instruments working principle. First one, least count and zero error, positive error, negative error. You have to measure theoretically and manually. And next one, digital vernier caliper. This is for most advantage method, okay. nowadays you have to changes for in our world to digital world. Okay, at that time you have to use this for digital vernier caliper. So this vernier caliper is over advantages when compared to the normal vernier caliper. So look at the digital vernier caliper picture. This is for lower jaws. This places is in, listen here students, this places indicated the readings of the digital vernier caliper. So before, in manual vernier caliper we have to perform and we have to work out to find out the readings. Okay, in between the two lower jaws placed in the object, then object at zero error value you have to measuring, and positive error value you have to measuring, and also negative error and you also measuring. Okay, so you have to measuring both the values and manually. This digital vernier caliper, in between the lower jaws placed the object, this digital meter present the value. Okay, the total value, the corrected value of the diameter of the particular object. This is very simple and easy to find out the diameter of the simplest object. Thank you students.